Okay, so this activity that you're doing with vocabulary is a little bit different. So pay attention. You're still going to start by clicking on the words in blue, and it will prompt you to make a copy. So click the Make a Copy button, and then it's going to open up a Google Doc. So this is where it's a little bit different from the Google Slide activity. You'll still be able to type on it. It's just a slightly different format. So read carefully. This is lesson 2 about the same synonyms. So if you're tired of using the same old words, here are some new ways to say what you mean. These words are synonyms for words you probably use all the time. So read the words and their definitions carefully. So your words are disturb, dull, enjoy, increase, miserable, naughty, tidy, and unlike. So your first part that you're going to do is type the correct synonym next to each word. Use the word list provided in the third column. So here's the third column with your word list that you're going to use to match up the synonym. So for example, increase, I'm going to go up here and look at increase. Increase means to grow larger. So it's right there in the definition. And I see that grow is one of my choices. So I'm just going to click right in the middle column and I'm going to type grow. Make sure you pay attention to spelling. They're right here for you. So there's no reason for you not to spell this correctly. So do the first set, then you have the second set. Here's the word list for the second set. Right, part 2. Choose the right word to fit into each sentence. Type the word on the line. So above each sentence, you have your choices, tidy, naughty. And so I see blank dog, said Grandpa when he found Tilly digging up the plants. Well, if he's digging up the plants, that's kind of a messy thing, so I don't think it would be tidy. So our choice would be naughty. So just click right on the line and then type in naughty. Okay. And again, the word is right there. Pay attention to your spelling. So I want you to complete the next 3 sentences. Then part 3, the boldface words in the passage below are synonyms for common words. Read the passage and then answer the questions that follow. So you're going to read The Ugly Duckling. So this is an abridged, which means a shortened version of the story by Hans Christian Andersen. So there are your words in bold: disturb, unlike, tidy, naughty, miserable, dull. So pay attention to those words. And then I want you to answer these 2 questions. Which word best describes the ugly duckling when he was living with the ducks? Naughty, miserable, or dull? And why? So click right here and you can type your answer and make sure you do a complete sentence, please. We've been working on this in novel study groups using the question to help build your sentence. So we could type the ugly duckling was blank when he was living with the other ducks because, and then make sure you tell me why he was either naughty, miserable, or dull. And then again with the second question, why was the ugly duckling unlike the other ducklings? Just click right below it and type in your answer. And we have one last part, part 4. Write the word from the word list that means about the same as the underlined word or words. And you're not going to use every word. So Elaine felt unhappy when she learned that her cat was very sick. So click right on the line, use your word list, and then type in which word means about the same as unhappy. So do that with all 4 problems. All 4 questions. When you have finished all 4 parts, come up here and click the blue share button. So this part is just like when you have a slide activity, and then you will type in my name when it comes up. Click on my name. It probably doesn't want to let me click on it because I own this document. So click on my name and then click the send button. There we go. I didn't have a space in there. So then click the blue send button and it will come to me. All right, have fun with this and let me know if you have any questions.